Guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to install mounts for flat roof. We're going to use these quick mounts from IronRidge. Then we will need 2 bolts, and then this is a ChemLink curb kit. In our case it's 6-inch diameter. And then we're going to need 2 sealants. That's ChemLink M1 to seal around the base and around this plastic basin. And then this is second part we're going to pour inside. After installing plastic curb, we can pour second part of sealant. Important note that this sealant only works on a rolled composition roof. It's not gonna work on a TPO roofs. And here's the finished mount. Alright guys, that's all about this video. As always, thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.